apt upgrade and upgrade. How to install 500 plus termux tools at once wall command. Next command pkg install git. As you all know my website permission y website is related to ethical hacking, and I write about hacking tricks and tips on my website. Most people know that is termux application. Next command pkg install git. Application is and how to use it. Next command git clone. But many people are still confused about the termux and termux tools. People are confused about where we will get the tools for our work. Next command cd tool x, and next command install checking. For example, if a person is looking for a Wi-Fi hacking tool, so how does not he know which termux tools in to use? So that was a problem, and today article is about that, because in today article I will show you how can install 500 plus tools in termux application with just one tools. Yes, I am talking about tool x. By installing these tools we will get 500 plus termux tools in just one click. I will give you that command below that will be used to install these tools in termux. Use this command is setup by setup. YouTube channel Russell Technology update, subscribe, comments, like and share this all people. Waiting for you all people. Termux setup. Do you want to install tool X? Yes or no? Permission yes. Install based hacking tools. Tool X install successful. To run tool X, type tool X in your terminal. To run tool X, permission. Show all tools category. Number 3, update tool X. About yes. Number 1, install. Number 1, install Android work and device from Black Hydra. Zero zero tools category number 2 information gathering IP tags tool programming lancer DDoS attack web server termux US information gathering back password attack has put out